Now, when we say eat lower in the food chain, it's such common sense. People think, oh, the population is growing too large. We can never capture enough seafood wild. We have to grow it through aquaculture. And yes, there's appropriate place for aquaculture, but there is probably a lot easier way to get to feeding people by just eating what's at the bottom of the food chain directly. For example, it takes 4.5 pounds of anchovies to make 1 pound of fish meal. And then it takes 5 or 6, 7, depending on what animal you're feeding, it takes many pounds of fish meal to make 1 pound of apex predator, or a pound of hog, I suppose. And so we're using up the equivalent of 22 pounds or 25 pounds of anchovies to get a pound of bacon, or a pound of farm salmon, or a pound of farm shrimp. That just doesn't make any sense when we can eat the anchovies directly, and 22 people can eat alongside of us at the same time. And so Wild Planet aims to bring to market these kinds of lower in the food chain products so that consumers can become educated on how to do that and have the product available that is spectacularly delicious. Try an anchovy on a piece of sourdough bread and tell me you want to go back to bacon.